Sowore, the publisher of Sahara Reporters, a presidential candidate cleared by INEC to bid for power and who had opportunity to ask Nigerians to vote for him. You must state what exactly that you want.
Leaderships that matter and care about Nigerian people. Leadership that will care about our school children in their schools, our women in hospitals, policemen who are supposed to be law enforcement officers who are underpaid, underutilized and undertrained, soldiers who are running away from bandits and terrorists. Nigeria must attain its place amongst the Committee of Nations.
That, I believe, is a legitimate thing to fight for.
All oppressions can go run away when people take over. When we take over.
Let them speak to the youth that the federal government has no more vacancy. Virtually every department is filled.
I think Buhari is the most incompetent human being.
Yes, sir.
Buhari must
go.
Who is a terrorist? Buhari is a terrorist.
Remember the young people who wanted to march here and remove me.
If Buhari cannot protect Nigeria, Buhari must go.
You want overthrow.
So that competent people can manage Nigeria.
Exactly.
Yes. It is the reason why we call for a revolution in Nigeria.
You want a revolution. Then he should have spared us the INEC from going to put his name on the ballot paper.
Revolution, revolution, we want to do something before we go. Revolution,
We have challenges.
another challenge, yo. Another challenge, yo. Double challenge, yo. Another challenge, yo. Another challenge, yo. Another challenge, yo. Double challenge.